This is Jules' litter. They'll be 8 weeks old on March the 5th. Hi. Hey, look, he's walking.
Yeah. He says, I'm doing better.
This is Angus.
Angus!
Say hi, Angus. Say hi to Mom and
I'm
Dad.
a brute.
He's so fat. His
Look at
legs,
these guys.
his legs pop out.
Oh, he is the most beautiful shade of red. He's going to have such a beautiful clear red coat.
This little boy has a mommy and a daddy.
Yes, I do.
Beautiful brindle.
Mm-hmm.
Dark brindle. Hi. He's just got the cutest
He's starting to get some
face,
character too.
wrinkles,
Oh,
just like his daddy.
Yep, he's the red version of his daddy.
This little girl's available.
She has a sweet little girl
Fawn with
face.
black mask.
Oh yeah, she's pretty.
Just a little bit of color on the tail. And have darker ears.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you?
Here's Chunky Monkey Man.
Big boy. He's another fat one.
Very evenly marked on the head.
Got
Really
some light
pretty.
brindling down his side.
Yep, Brindle's going to be really pretty on
his
him.
head.
Mm-hmm. He just got to get his ears up. He's got to grow a little bit.
He's a moose. He's got wrinkles with wrinkles. Come here, little ones.
They're not weaned yet. They're just starting to show personality.
Still hanging out with mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I think they're like 4 weeks and 2 days old. So they're just starting to get on the soft food good and starting to get their little personalities going a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Still kind of shell-shocked by all the new world that they're exploring.
I'm learning. Lots of things to learn. He'll go after it. He likes the toys.
You look so serious. You should see his eyes.
You just attacked your
He's so
hand.
serious.
Yeah, he's scoping you out. Getting ready for the kill.
They don't have very much teeth going on.
No, no teeth. No teeth yet.
And they're there, just not much. Little itty bitty thing sticking up.
He's being all cutesy with you. Oh, you can pull the blanket. Oh,
Best toy
get
in
the
the world is the
blanket.
blanket.
Get that blanket.
We got toys over here, you know.
Oh my goodness. Oh, the red one found her shoelaces.
What about the fox? The fox work?
Oh yeah, there we go.
You want to get in on this fun? This little girl here is probably going to go around 20 pounds. She's a little, well, she's smaller than her brothers. They're all going to hit high 20s, I'd say.
She's beautiful.
She's going to be more in the 20-pound class.
Angus has got the fox. Got the fox by the tail. Oh, it's on. Get it, Angus. Oh, sissy one. Daddy helped her though. Daddy helped her. That wasn't no fair.
Come here, mister. Waddle on over here. Come on, you can do it. He's so fat it just pushes his legs out.
I know, he's
We see
trying.
this
He'll
every
get it.
litter.
Yeah.
You see one that just,
It's age related.
So chunky
He'll build his
in there.
muscles.
what it is, his legs aren't under him enough.
He's got a big old body and baby legs. Oh, and some baby legs. And so gorgeous. And so gorgeous. Yes, I'm talking to you. Oh, you've seen the camera?
There's another walrus. Let me show you your belly. Look how fatty I am.
Oh, I got a big old Frenchy
so
belly.
fat. He's got the face of his mother.
Yeah, he does. Yeah, he'll be a pretty boy.
Little jewel puppy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we got a pee-pee. A pee-pee. There we go. No more pee-pee. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Come here, little ones. Come here, Missy. Look at her cute little tail.
I know. Oh, little girl there.
She is spunky too.
Yeah?
You gotta be when you're the littlest one.
Yeah.
I have 3 big brothers.
I think all 4 of these puppies will have the personality like Jules. Hey, who are you barking at? It's all right.
Whoever has her puppies. We got them right here, Missy. Come here.
Jules,
They can start
stop.
seeing good.
Hey, it's okay. Jules.
Yeah, I get your butt. They call them frog dogs.
Frog dogs. There's the brindle pulling the fox around.
Yeah. Come here.
Oh, Daddy.
Her vision's pretty limited right now. I
Gotta
think
be
about
right in
4
front of
inches.
them. Yeah.
Hey, Angus. You're a vicious little thing.
Who's that?
This little girl. A little white on her neck.
Go get that ball. Go get that ball. Oh. Oh.
What are you gonna get? Huh?
Oh. By this time next week, they should be.
Oh, it'll be crazy.
Yeah. He's having such a good time by himself over there with that big old toy. It has Gil in it.
Now he's walking like Angus.
Uh-huh. Holy cow. Holy cow.
Oh, she'll defend her. See, she thinks he bit her.
Oh.
But Angus did. It wasn't. It was this moose.
Oh.
Get him, Angus. Their ears will start growing.
Mm-hmm.
Right now they're little. Little
Oh.
ears. Yes, they do.
Oh.
Look at the little ears. So cute when they're 3 or 4 weeks old and their ears are so little.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
She's using your arm as a fork for sneak attack.
Everybody just loves the way I taste, I guess.
Oh, I'll climb over there and get brother from the top. Boom! They're beautiful puppies. If you want to come down our way and visit, we schedule visitors 7 days a week from 10 o'clock in the morning to the last appointment at 10. Take you through a tour, meet all the moms and dads, and you can sit down and play with puppies like this and get to know the breed and get to know us, and we can get to know you.
They're only going to get cuter.
Oh, yeah. Holy cow.
Oh, she can handle her own.
Oh, my
She's a
goodness.
tough little critter. I gotta be.
A little.
Because I'm little, I gotta be tough. I don't put up with anything.
Nope.
No, I don't. What a beautiful color.
I know she is. She's a real pretty color.
Like a blonde.
Yeah.
Almost like a blonde. Huh?
I do a blonde.
Okay, say goodbye, puppies.
Okay.